I'm here at the Akamai Technologies booth here at NAB. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Soul Media Solutions. So Soul Media Solutions break down into three big buckets: the content preparation and workflow piece, the storage and delivery piece, and then almost the most important piece, the media analytics piece. It helps drive the business back through the whole workflow. When we're talking about the workflow content preparation, it's all about adapting, protecting, and connecting your content to the media ecosystem. When we're talking about delivery, it's all about network-based, cloud-based storage of your content, and then globally distributed network to leverage their delivery to the multitude of devices. And then media analytics is all about audience analytics, all about measuring what's going on within your network, measuring what's going on with your content, and using that to leverage make the right business decisions back for which content you want to use in the future, how your quality is affecting your viewing experiences, and making sure that customers are getting access to the content they want when they want it. Because we have the CDN, because we have the largest globally distributed CDN in the world, we have an unprecedented view into both content that's going over our network, as well as trends going on within the internet itself, to be able to leverage that unparalleled visibility for customers to use. So we're giving them access and visibility right down to the individual user's level in terms of the experience that they're seeing with the tool called Viewer Diagnostics. Viewer Diagnostics is actually brand new, just announced it at this show this week, right? So it allows you to get right down to the individual viewer level, see the type of content they're looking at, when they streamed it, their quality that they had, so any rebuffers, any startup time delays that they had, and enable you to remedy that on the spot and fix it so their quality experience is better in the future. Something else we're very, very excited to talk about is one of the newest services in our workflow, or content preparation workflow services. It's the transcoding for video on demand. So what we're doing is we're leveraging our globally distributed intelligent platform to do transcoding for video on demand files. All it takes is one large master source file. We take that in, break out all and do all the transcoding for the renditions required to deliver to the multitude of devices. And there are a couple of things that are really cool about the way Akamai is doing it. Because we're leveraging our globally distributed cloud, a customer can upload something in Japan at noon, and we can leverage the resources on the other side of the world to do that transcoding, because because of the time difference, those resources aren't being used. So we can do that transcoding a lot faster using the globally distributed network that we have. A lot of the challenges come down to the multiple different renditions that you have to transcode for, right? So preparing that content for the highest quality delivery device, or highest quality experience for that device. And with the device explosion that's going on, right? iPhone 5, iPhone 6, Android, tablets, all these things, it's nearly impossible for content providers who want to focus on providing or creating good content to keep up with that device sprawl, right? So by leveraging transcoding services like Akamai, you can select the devices you want very, very simply in our UI, and then rest assured that it's going to be delivered at the highest quality experience back to those devices. What we want to see handheld devices or any tablet phones is focus on making that experience and making that device the highest possible quality that they can do, right? So we want to make sure that if the content shows up at the highest quality, it's because of the network that it's delivered on and the quality of the device. So if they focus on that, we can focus on making sure that the content that's delivered is the right bit rate, the right quality, the right resolution, and then it's going to deliver the highest possible quality for the end user. So what we're going to do now is show a demonstration of our transcoding for video on demand services. So we've kicked off a video here. Once we're done recording, we're going to save that off. Just use a simple FTP upload into the network, and it's going to start the transcoding process. This is the video that we just uploaded using our simple webcam here, FTP right up into the network. This overlay over here shows all of the renditions that were transcoded on the fly in the network while we were talking here. You see the current one it's using is the highest quality one to stream down to what we're here on the show floor. The 6 versions, that rendition set that you saw is completely customizable, right? So you can say, I want to transcode for these devices, and that's going to determine the rendition set that you have. So if you did want more renditions, you could add additional renditions to it as well.